The United States greenlit the sale of 36 Boeing F-15ID aircraft to Indonesia for nearly $14 billion. Jakarta is buying new aircraft to replace its old US F-16s as well as Russian Su-27 and Su-30 jets. The Defense Security Cooperation Agency, DSCA, confirmed the development in an official statement Thursday. Jakarta had requested to buy 36 F-15ID jets, 87 F-110 GE-129 or F-100 PW-229 engines, 72 installed, 15 spares, 45 an APG-82, V-1 Advanced Electronically Scanned Array, AESA, radars, 36 installed, 9 spares, 45 an AAQ-13 Eagle Passive Active Warning Survivability Systems, EPAWSS, 36 installed, 9 spares, 48 Advanced Display Core Processor, ADCP, 2 digital computers, 36 installed, 12 spares, 80 Joint Helmet Mounted Queuing Systems, JHMCS, 72 installed, 8 spares, 92 Embedded Global Positioning Systems, GPS, Inertial Navigation System, EGI, Security Devices, 40 an AAQ-13 LANTIRN Navigation Pods, 36 installed, 4 spares, 40 an AAQ-33 Sniper Advanced Targeting Pods, ATP, 36 installed, 4 spares, 156 LAU-128 launchers, 144 installed, 12 spares, and 40 M61A, Vulcan, gun systems, 36 installed, 4 spares. Also included are Air Combat Maneuvering Instrumentation, ACMI, P5CTS, training pods and support equipment, MS-110 Recce pods, and ASG-34 Infrared Search and Track International, and AIL-47 Countermeasures Dispenser, and PYQ Simple Key Loaders, additional precision navigation, secure communications and cryptographic equipment, Electronic Combat International Security Assistance Program, ECISAP, support, Joint Mission Planning Systems, JMPS, Night Vision Goggles, NVG, and support equipment and spares, conformal fuel tanks, chaff and flares, aircraft and personnel support and test equipment, pylons, launcher adapters, weapons interfaces, fuel tanks, and attached hardware, travel pods, precision measurement equipment laboratory, calibration, and simulators, spare and repair parts, repair and return services, maps, publications, and technical documentation, studies and surveys, classified, unclassified software and software support, personnel training and training equipment, facilities and facility management, design and/or construction services, U.S. government and contractor engineering, technical and logistics support services, and other related elements of logistical and program support. The estimated total cost is $13.9 billion, the government agency said. Earlier this week, Indonesia signed a contract with French company Dassault Aviation for 42 Rafale fighters. Indonesian Defense Minister Prabowo Subianto said the $8.1 billion deal was part of series of agreements also including submarine development.